Welcome back. I hope you're ready for it. Desi Fest 2010 kicks off in Toronto on May 29th at Dundas Square, a day-long celebration of South Asian music. We have in studio founder Satish Bala. Welcome to the studio. I don't even know how you have time.
You should MC. That was a great intro.
Done. Okay. I'm so excited because, you know, every year you manage to come up with a lineup, you and your team manage to come up with a lineup that really surpasses the year before. And I know that you guys are going across the country doing all that stuff. Let's talk about Toronto. Headliners, tell us about, rhyme off some of the names and we'll chat about some of these individual artists.
Big afternoon act is Shahid Ali Khan. He hasn't been on our stage since our first year, so
Excellent.
I'm really excited about that. Shweta, we've got Pariche, Roach, Zamir, Fareed, Naomi that we've seen. The closing act this year is Bak Mahal from San Francisco. So it's a great fusion of Punjabi music.
Yeah, no, describe their sound a little bit because I've read about
it. What's fascinating when I heard about these guys is you've got this godfather of Dole. He's pushing 80. He's as pretty much as old school as it gets, and he meets these young guys that are doing fusion music. They get together, and they've got this phenomenal sound that I think pretty much explains what Desi Fest is. You take the old school culture, merge it with the new school culture, and we've got beautiful South Asian music. And so, 9-piece band, they've got a saxophone, a piano guy, DJs. It's just phenomenal.
Now, do you have the DJ competition back again this year?
No, you know,
you couldn't do it. You didn't have time, right?
It's not even that. I think because it's an outdoor concert, you know, with DJs nowadays, with the Seratos, everybody's staring at the computers, and so we got more dancing happening versus DJs.
And that's true, because you do make an effort to support local talent, not just who are performers like that, but dancers, choreographers and stuff. Any dance groups, etc., you want to give a shout out to that are coming to perform?
Oh, we've got Diaz, we've got this new group called Jadu. Just hype, energetic kids. Like, even talk to them on the phone, they're like, we got to dance. So
we can't wait. And the one thing people forget sometimes is not only are you there to watch a concert, there are stalls. And there's vendors, etc. So people can come down for a whole experience. So they're shopping, I'm assuming.
It is shopping. There's 6 amazing vendors, everything from South Indian food to North Indian food. We've got a kids zone back with bouncy castles and face paintings, and Leo, the lion, will be out there. And so it's just a really great family event. And then, you know, you get to experience a bit of everything.
Now let's talk about some of the feature acts that you've seen sort of grow up over the last little while. Roachkiller, doing some big things right now.
You know, 3 years ago when I first booked him, I put him on, I think, at 2 o'clock or something, and I didn't really know his skill sets and whatnot. And now, you know, nominated for Brit Asia Award and UK AMAs, and, you know, his records are playing everywhere. And so it's great to see that kind of a talent. And to bring him back now as one of our headliners, put him on in a prime spot. I mean, the buzz is in the air. Everybody on the Facebook pages are talking about Roach, and so it's really great.
Are we still doing Navin Kundra?
Navin is there this year.
Now describe Navin's, because we've played some of his stuff, but he's sort of come out of nowhere for us.
You know, he's got a couple of great tracks. What I like about him is he's got a really nice melody to all of his tracks. You can sing along with it. You know, sometimes you get these artists on stage where they're performing and then you can't really tie into it. It's a good show, but you're not singing along, and we try to find artists that the crowd gets into, and regardless of whether it's a hip-hop act or Qawwali act, it's a lot more fun when you're interacting.
And we've talked a lot about the guys. Sure, the girls come to see the guys, whatnot. Let's talk about some of the ladies that are performing, because the ladies always own the stage when they perform at
this year. We've got Shweta, and everybody knows about Shweta. She's got a phenomenal voice. Naomi Zaman, who's on your show, and so, you know, those two are kick-off. We've got Prita back from Montreal, and you know, all the dance groups that are going to be beautifully dressed, and the ladies in there. So it's a colorful event.
And it happens for 12 hours, right? Rain and shine, we say. Not rain or shine, it rain and, because it always rains a little bit.
And that's what, you know, the city has so much love for this particular show that even when it rains, you know, our first year when it rained, we were terrified. And then pretty much people went apart and came back together. So
that was great. It was like a little break at that point.
It says a lot about
we
the
have
city.
some wonderful viewers in Vancouver and Montreal that are watching us saying, stop talking about Toronto, tell us what's going on. Please tell us, what is the plan for those cities?
So our Vancouver date is June 19th. And we're going to be out there right in the heart of the city. We're bringing out Shahid Ali Khan out there to give him a different flavor. And so we looked at what the rest of the city wants. You know, everybody knows Vancouver's got the Punjabi community there. And
the best Punjabi community.
You know, and VIBC and those guys out there doing their stuff. And so we wanted to bring a flavor of Bollywood and classical contemporary music out there. And Montreal is going to be on June 26th. and we've got Jitin and Roach and Naomi going out there showing kind of
the caravan.
Yeah, so it's going to be a great show, and it's great because as you move artists around, you get to kind of see, you know, how they interact with different communities across the country too.
I have to say, I love seeing what you're doing to foster, you know, the momentum here. Thank you so much for your efforts. We look forward to the show, and I know that you've got a ton of sponsors and a big team that are helping you as well. So we look forward to celebrating with you May 29th.
May 29th.
Young in Dundas Square, right?
Absolutely.
We're going to actually take us out of this interview with Pariche's video, I believe. And there's much more coming up on Bollywood Boulevard after the break, so we'll be right back.
To a girl come in nice and strong, so me pull up a leg and make a wine and dance. So go chuck up on the wall till a girl get down. Ride down, run up on the yard make you lie down. Up and go down and make your body come and ride now. She bought the hours of the power to the time now. Show the net to make your body sour lime now. Deewana tera bana diya, mujhe deewana tera bana diya. रख लूं सारी दुनिया से तेरे संग जीना मर जाना मेरे बाहों में तू आजा मेरी रानी मेरी सोनी ये मेरी हो तुम बस मेरी हो तुम इस दुनिया से कहूँ मैं क्योंकि दीवाना तेरा बना दिया मुझे दीवाना तेरा बना दिया I see this girl around my way yo she come around like every day yo shorty's the bone me with all the gossip and stories so I leave them all yawning at the crack of the morning I need an intellectual sexual girl that's sensible the type of individual that's right for marriage rituals I pursue her that's a bitch subdue her I'm pulling cord from maneuvers but I'm an entrepreneur look she like the nice guy suit and tie I live the nightlife do or die she want 2 kids and want to live in the burbs so it's